If fall were a cookie, I'd want it to be these frosted pumpkin cookies with cream cheese frosting. The dough is soft and scoopable, and the best part is that you don't have to wait for it to chill, so let's get going. First, you want to preheat your oven and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large bowl with a hand mixer, beat the butter on high speed for about 30 seconds. And then we add the sugar and mix on medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the egg, and the pumpkin puree to the butter and the sugar mixture. Let's mix it on medium speed until it's just combined. In another bowl, we're gonna combine the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add half of the flour mixture to the wet bowl and mix it on medium speed until it's combined. We're gonna give the sides of the bowl a good scrape and then add the rest of the flour mixture and mix it. Once you have the dough, add the chopped walnuts and cranberries if you're using them and fold to combine. Scoop and drop the dough on the lined baking sheet, making sure that you place them about 2 inches apart so they have room to spread. Now we're gonna bake these for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are just set. We're gonna remove them from the oven onto the counter and we're gonna let them cool down completely. While the cookies are cooling, let's make that cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, we're gonna beat the cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. We're gonna add the powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and melted butter. We're gonna mix this on low speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until that thick frosting-like texture is achieved. All you have to do is frost the cooled cookies and enjoy. Don't they look great? Now, if you love pumpkin recipes, make sure to watch this next video. You're gonna love it. See you next time.